All right, we have a floor TV stand here. You can see it's got a big base on the bottom. It's got a nice marble finish. The marble finish is actually a high temp digital printing technology that makes it wear resistant down here. You can see that there's some nice embellishment with the post and the bottom leg, the bottom foot. And it also has inside here some nice easy cable organization management system with these little tabs. You can actually hide your cables inside there. And then on the back we have
magnetic appearance cover.
That's right, it's a magnetic appearance cover that can easily be removed and put back on to hide any cables from the back side. All right. Also on the back we have attached a cable to attach to the wall to keep it from tipping and falling over. This stand will carry a 32 to 65 inch TV. And also on the back side with your cable management, you have some holes down here where you can feed your cables down underneath and through. Please move your feet so that they can come out the bottom and really hide all your cables and make everything look real good. So this TV stand does come with assorted hardware to fit any TV universally. And there's these two brackets here, one here, that are movable. So there are 3 holes on top and 3 on the bottom that we can attach this bracket to fit the particular TV that you might be putting on here. So we can move it to 3 different spots as such. And then we just tighten this screw on the bottom, which there are 3 holes on the bottom to match as well. And then you'll have your hardware along to attach to the TV. So if you are looking for a TV stand that would be on the floor for your 32 to 65 inch TV, this one would be perfect for you.